Boom. Yo. God. The thing goes skrrrr. Skibby kid pop pop. And the
So hello everyone, it's Kizzy here, and today we will learn how to insert data into database and display the data from that database using PHP and PDO. So to do that, first of all you will create a database named PHP PDO project, or you can create a new one. So after that you will create a table named user, and you will just create four columns, ID with auto increment and primary key, and next column will be username, address and email. You can set the value as you like for them. After that we will create a connection, which is very important. In this project we will have three files: db.php for connection, index for the main page, and upload.php page to insert into database. First of all, let's go through db.php. So in this db.php we will just create a variable to insert a localhost, the database name and the username, and we will just connect it using try and catch. We will create new object and we will just execute this. I'll provide all the files in the link so you can download and have a look. So we should include this file in each of the other pages. It is important. So after that we will move to index.php. I'm using Bootstrap framework, so all the codes are given in here, and I'm using form to create this form. You can see here. You can just go through my files and have a look. Create a form and just name them. Well, I have named this post username for this one, post address for this one, and just create this file type. After that, create a button. Input type should be type should be submit, and name should be submit. After that, make sure that after you have created form, the method should be post, because we are sending it privately to the server so that no one can see this. And the action should be upload.php. This means whenever we click the submit, all this data will be transferred to upload.php. So just make sure this. After that, we'll go to upload.php. This is the main file where we will upload the data in here to database. So after that we'll include this db.php in here. PHP bracket opens, and in the between this all code will be here. So we will include the db.php, which is database connection, and we will just, after this submit, we will just send the data over here, and we will use the variable to store this data temporarily for now. After that we will create a try function. In this the picture files will be uploaded in uploads folder, which is in my directory, and this statement will just insert the data in here to database. So you can see in here, and I will provide the project file for all of this. So after that, let's have a demo. Submit. Okay, I have submitted. Now let's look at our database. So okay, you can see here our data is here, You can see here our data is here, and our upload is completed, our insert is completed. Now we need the display. So to do that, we'll go to index, and in between this we will just insert the code. Okay, in this code again we will include the connection, and we will just query, we will just write a query for selecting database table, and we will just ele- just elaborate the data in the database table. So after that we will create a database connection, and we will select data from user table by ID, and we'll execute this. And after that we will just echo the table column username and address. Likewise we will echo the image too. You can see it in here. So after that this will be completed, and we will check it in our browser. Okay, you can see here username KZ, address Kathmandu, and image. Now whenever we just insert the data in here, it should directly show the data in here. So now let's again see it. Okay, so it's done. So I will be providing the files for this project in the link in the description. So do like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.